Hi, and welcome back to yet another video of Kshitij Patnakar. And today we're going to talk about something very serious, जो which has been on my mind for a long time now. इसके ऊपर मुझे बहुत टाइम से वीडियो बनाने का मन था. I was just not getting enough motivation because talking about such a topic pushes me into some वो वाला zone, and I just can't seem to continue talking about it. तो मेरे लिए वीडियो बनाना is more or less very difficult as of now. So we're going to talk about how can you fight back during a panic attack. So I've had close to somewhere infinite of them, and I've come to realize that if you can't avoid them, if you can't stay your way unse dur, all you can do is learn how to handle yourself during that situation, because it gets very difficult. Trust me, this is coming from my experience. It gets very difficult, and if you let it sink, if you let those panic attacks sink in, it will gradually take a toll on your mental health पूरी तरीके से, जो हमको नहीं करना है. If you are facing panic attacks for some reason, some things that is poking you every single day or very often, all we have to do is learn a way to fight back. So the first thing what I usually do when this thing happens is एक तो try and control your breath. At that point of time, what we are focusing on, एक तो panic attack की वजह से we are focusing on the thing that is being a pressure to us. हमारा दिमाग फट रहा होता है वो चीज़ें सोच सोच के, and उस टाइम पे हम सांस लेना भूल जाते हैं, which is not good. If you're going through that, the first thing you need to keep in mind is take deep breaths, and I mean really really deep breaths. एक जगह पे just start counting your breaths. Start feeling every single breath you're taking in, every single breath you're giving out. Start doing that, and I promise you, by the time you reach 10 breaths or 15 breaths max, you're gonna be feeling better, if not fine, better. The second thing is you can do is feel your muscles moving. Just if you're going through that, if you're going through a panic attack, stop right there and start feeling your fingers. Give them rest, keep them on the table. उनको एक टेबल पे रख दो, and धीरे धीरे finger by fingers, this is the smallest muscle you can think of जिससे तुम अपने खुद को रेस्ट दे सकते हो. And starting with the fingers, start going through all your body. एक जगह पे रखो, calm down, and then sit back, आराम करो, ठीक है. Give yourself the relaxation इस टाइम पे. If you're alone, if you're having all this alone, sit back and try to relax yourself. आपका दिमाग अभी रिलैक्सेशन वाले स्टेट पे नहीं है, बट ऑल वी हैव टू डू राइट नाउ, ऑल ऑफ दिस वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ इज टू काइंड ऑफ ट्रिक योर माइंड इनटू बिलीविंग दैट एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड ऑल यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ इज रिलैक्सिंग. सो हम इस टाइम पे अपने दिमाग के साथ गेम खेल रहे हैं, एंड इफ this will not work in the first attempt, trust me, it will in the second, because it had for me. So this was the second thing that you can do. The third thing was you have to have that one good memory consistently in your mind. So जैसे you might be facing your panic attacks, कोई छोड़ के चला गया, और probably you lost someone, you lost a project, or you're fearing that big turn in your life. So while you're having that, while you're going through that, all you have to keep in mind is that एक अच्छी memory, something that brings you happiness, your happy place. Like for me, that happy place is with my younger siblings. I feel very happy when I'm with them. It's like I'm actually connected to some my childhood, even in this age that I'm now growing up, मैं अपने मतलब छोटे भाई बहनों के साथ होता हूँ. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी. यू नो वो छोटा सा बचपना जो होता है कि तुम बच्चों वाली बातें कर सकते हो उनके सामने. यू कैन बी एज स्टूपिड एज यू वांट टू बी, एंड so that brings me happiness. Those people, staying with them brings me happiness. The second happy place I could think of was, you know, playing with my dog. He brings a lot of happiness, and for that matter I could play with any dog because I just love them and they kind of bring a lot of happiness into me. And so as of now, I'm just giving you an example. These are one of plenty of happy places that you can think of for yourself, and आपकी भी कोई ऐसी होगी probably. You know, let me tell you about one more happy place that I really go to when I'm going through such rough patches is, you know, I've been a traveler. I travel a lot and I've been through pretty amazing places in my life, and 4 happy places. You know, I love the view of a hill, of clouds moving so peacefully यहाँ से वहाँ, and you know सुबह आपको हॉर्न्स नहीं सुनाई दे रहे. On the contrary, you're waking up to, you know, a birds chirping, हवाएं चल रही हैं. So that kind of, you know, बड़ा अच्छा सा लगता है. So for me that is one of those happy places that I go through when I'm going through, you know, all of this shit. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk to you about, and this is kind of my view and what I usually do to steer out of that feeling, because if you don't steer, you know, if you don't learn to steer out of that, you'll gradually, you know, end up hurting yourself even more and more with every single panic attack that is coming. And even though the reason might change over a period of time, the hurt won't. You'll still feel that void, though. You'll still feel something burning inside you. And on the contrary, if you learn to fight against it, against that feeling, against that thought process that you're going through at that point of time, you know, there will come a time when you'll start feeling powerful. You'll feel that power कि हाँ मैं अपने I'm fighting my demons, and that's kind of what everyone does in everyday life. सबके अपने demons हैं, and this is just one kind of demon that I'm talking about here. So let's learn to, you know, fight this demon, and I really hope this video helped you. And if I can think of anything, or probably मेरे दिमाग में कोई और solution आता है, I'll definitely update you guys. And yeah, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.